10 days. It doesn't sound like much, but if you've been trapped in the PMO cycle for years, 10 days of semen retention can feel like climbing a mountain barefoot. Because let's be honest, most men can't even last 3 days without peaking, scrolling, or releasing. Their minds are addicted to the endless stream of stimulation. They say they're on NoFap, but they're still staring at screens, still edging, still feeding the same addiction. Semen retention isn't just about not busting a nut. It's about reclaiming your mind. It's about saying no to lust in every form. No peeking, no edging, no harmless scrolling at 1 a.m. And if you've made it to 10 days, brother, you've already done something 99% of men never will. Those first 10 days are a war. Your body fights you, your brain tempts you, your habits scream to go back. But this is also where the shift begins. You're breaking neurological patterns built over years of instant gratification. Your dopamine system is rebooting, rewiring, coming back to balance. That's why you feel restless. That's why your mind plays tricks on you. Because your body is learning to live without the constant hit. And the moment you pass day 10, you'll start to notice something. The fog begins to lift. By day 3 or 4, something changes. Your eyes feel sharper. Your thoughts are clearer. Your posture straightens without trying. You start waking up with energy again. Energy that was gone for years. By day 7, you feel more grounded, more alert. You find yourself finishing the things you start. Working longer, with more focus, more fire. Tasks that felt boring suddenly feel like challenges worth conquering. And when day 10 hits, it's like your body reactivates. Your workouts hit harder. You feel the drive to move, to run, to train, to build. It's as if life starts moving through you again instead of past you. Here's what most people don't talk about. You get your time back. Because for years, you weren't just losing energy. You were losing hours. Hours spent chasing pixels. Hours spent recovering from the energy crash that followed. Now, you have time and drive to build something real. And socially, everything shifts. You start talking differently. You make more eye contact. Your words flow smoother. You stop overanalyzing and start connecting. You don't need alcohol to feel confident anymore, because your energy itself becomes magnetic. People sense it, women feel it. You don't have to chase. They notice your presence before you even speak. And deep down, you feel proud. Proud that for once, you're in control. But listen, 10 days is not the finish line, it's the first checkpoint. This is the part where the benefits start whispering to you. But if you stop here, you'll never hear them roar. Because at day 10, you're still healing. Your dopamine levels are stabilizing, your mind is detoxing, your spirit is remembering what discipline feels like. The real transformation happens after this. 30 days, 60, 90. That's when your confidence becomes unshakable. That's when your creativity and focus start to feel limitless. That's when you realize you were never broken, you were just drained. Here's how you stay strong after day 10. 1. Stay busy, never sit idle. Go to the gym, build something, move your body, move your life. 2. No peeking, not even a glance. Every harmless look resets your dopamine balance. Protect your eyes like a warrior guards his blade. 3. Feed your body clean. Eggs, red meat, fruit, water, no junk. Your fuel determines your fire. 4. Face your emotions. The shame, the loneliness, the boredom. Don't run from it. Sit with it. Breathe through it. Let it burn. 5. Pray. Ask God for strength, for purity, for purpose. Because this battle isn't just physical, it's spiritual. If you've made it to day 10, you've already proven that you can do hard things. You've started waking up the warrior inside you. You've broken through the fog of addiction. You've tasted control again. And once you've tasted it, you'll never want to go back. Now imagine what 30 days will bring. Imagine 90. Imagine walking into a room and your energy commands respect because you're not leaking it away anymore. That version of you is real. He's waiting on the other side of discipline, so keep going. Don't stop now. So here's your challenge. Don't let 10 days be the peak. Let it be the beginning. Keep your eyes clean, keep your mind sharp, and hold the line. Because once you've felt what real power feels like, you'll never settle for weakness again. If you're on this journey, drop a sword in the comments. Let's see how many warriors have made it to day 10. Like this video, subscribe, and join the brotherhood. Stay strong, stay sharp, unleash your warrior.